Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys display brightness setting, and today video title is guys how to change screen timeout in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to change your device screen timeout guys after 15-30 seconds your device screen off automatic. So friends, how to fix screen timeout problem, how to change screen timeout in Tecno mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone display brightness setting. After on display brightness setting friends, you want to increase brightness, you want to decrease, you can adjust your device brightness, you can use auto brightness setting, eye care mode setting. So friends, click here screen timeout setting, and friends you can change your device screen timeout from here: 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Friends, if you click here 2 minutes, so friends now your phone screen will off after 2 minutes if you do not tap on your screen. But friends, again if you select 15-second screen timeout, 15 seconds, so friends wait and watch. After 15 seconds your device screen will off automatic. So like that friends, your screen will off automatic after 15 seconds. So friends, you have a screen timeout problem. So friends, open your phone display brightness setting, screen timeout setting, increase your phone screen timeout 1, 2 and 5 minutes. Your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.